Hey everyone, myself Aryan, I work as a DevRel engineer at Ryzen, and in this video we are going to see how you can install IOTA CLI in your Mac machine. It is very simple to download in Mac machine, and stay tuned for Windows and Linux setup as well. So let's get started. So let's go to IOTA page, IOTA blockchain I'll write. I'll just go here on the first thing or maybe iota.org, and I'll just click on get started guide. So don't worry if you can't get here, the link is in the description. Just check out the description once and you will be here on this specific page. Now to get started with the things, you need to understand what are the things that we need to install in our machine. Right, first of all we'll go to before you start, this will be a guide that will give you a handy interface for each and everything, and there are two specific SDKs that IOTA actually provides. So IOTA is a layer 1 blockchain that uses Move programming language at its core, and yeah, this is how we can just get started with the things. So we will go to install IOTA page. This is the installation guide for each and everything, right? So if you are on the Linux machine, if you are on the Windows machine, or if you are on the Mac machine, this is the one-stop guide. So here are some of the requirements that you need to follow. So Ubuntu version required is 20.4. I think it is 24.4, that is LTS, long time support run. And yeah, these are all the requirements that your machine should be of this specific quality. Right, let's try to install using package manager. We don't want to get into the binaries and download it using the binaries. So if you can see a command, it is showing brew install IoT Ledger tap IOTA. So we need to install this, but before installing or before running this command, we need to make sure that our machine have a homebrew installed. So I'll just go open my terminal. You can just open it using terminal, but I am not using a regular terminal. I am using an external terminal called as iTerm. Let me just clear this thing out, allow the access. I'll just make it a big screen. First thing first, let me just see that whether I have homebrew installed in my machine or not. So to do that, the command is very simple. It is brew -- version. If it is showing that homebrew 4.6.0, the version might differ, but it should show a homebrew version on your machine. If it is showing, then you are go ahead. It is a go ahead from our side, right? There is no issue. But if it is not showing you, if it is showing, so just go on Google and write homebrew install Mac, and from the first command itself. So this is the command that will download all the dependencies and everything. So it might take a while. Just copy this and paste it here, and it will just download each and everything. Yeah, and it is just updating my homebrew to the latest version. If you can see, it is 4.6.20. Let me just try to do this, and if you can see, it is 5.0.2. so it got updated when I tried it. But if you have not installed it, you need to install it. The next very basic command is this brew install IoT Ledger /tap/IOTA. So I'll just copy this command from here and I'll paste it here. And it will start downloading everything, all the dependencies that it needs. It will get downloaded from here. So it is asking for ICU 4C, then CA certificates, Postgres, then Postgres, another Postgres, IOTA, and everything. Now it is installing each and every dependencies that we have over here. Let's wait for a while. while it is getting downloaded. And yeah, let's see if it has given me some commands to do. No, it is showing brew cleanup IOTA, but let's not do this. Let me just exit this terminal from here. I'll open the terminal again here, and I'll write IOTA client IOTA. Let's check the version of IOTA first of all. If you can see, if the IOTA has successfully installed in your machine or not, you will see 1.11.0 version over here. Now the next thing is how we can initialize IOTA in our machine. So it is a very simple command. I'll just run it, IOTA client. I will just select test network to default, that is testnet over here. It is saying to generate a key pair. I will just select 0, and wow, if you can see, it has created me a wallet. This is my wallet address, and for this specific wallet, this is my secret recovery phrase. If I forget about this wallet, then it will be here. So this is how we can set up the IOTA CLI in our machine. In the next videos, in the coming up videos, we are going to see how we can download IOTA CLI in Windows machine as well, and in hopefully in Linux machine as well. Prior to that, we are going to see how we can initialize a smart contract on IOTA, build a smart contract, explaining a smart contract. So please stay tuned for upcoming videos. The upcoming videos are coming really soon. So yeah, if you like this video, please make sure to comment, share, like this video, and yeah, thank you very much for watching it at the very end.